This video will provide an overview of the eDesign feedback process based on the CCSNH eDesign rubric. eDesign is a rubric that defines course design quality standards for 100% online courses offered from the Community College System of New Hampshire. eDesign includes 6 research-based quality indicators and their associated attributes. The indicators and attributes define high-quality online course design, and each attribute has a point value that suggests the weight of importance of meeting the attribute. 5 points is the highest score for each attribute, and 1 point is the lowest. The maximum rubric total is 100 points. Please note that each attribute worth 5 points is a requirement, meaning in order for the course feedback to be complete, the faculty person will be asked to meet the attribute, and then the feedback provider will resume the feedback process. The 6 indicators of the eDesign rubric include digital learning tools, expectations and syllabus, starting point and student support, interaction and learning strategies, gauging student success, and navigation. Faculty and administrators can use eDesign to improve the quality of 100% online courses. The eDesign rubric may also be used as a resource for faculty to develop new online courses or when they want to transition a course from the face-to-face environment into the 100% online environment. eDesign is not an evaluation of the faculty. eDesign is an objective feedback process to assure quality design of an online course. The goal is to ensure all students experience a quality and consistent online learning experience throughout the Community College System of New Hampshire. Faculty can email eDesign at ccsnh.edu with a request for eDesign feedback. Once the feedback is complete, the faculty person will receive the eDesign feedback report, which looks like this. The eDesign feedback report includes a copy of the rubric, the scores the course received for each attribute, along with comments and resources where helpful. At the top of the page is the information to identify the course originator, and the course facilitator. In the course originator box, the faculty person or course designer who originally created the course for 100% online learning is identified. In the course facilitator box, the faculty person who submitted the course would be identified. The difference between the course originator and the course facilitator exists if the course was originally created for the online environment by someone other than the person teaching the section submitted for eDesign feedback. The next piece of information is the title, section, and CRN of the submitted course. Below includes the college for which the course was developed. To the right of this section includes the course feedback provider and the date the feedback was complete. Now the instructor can scroll through and review the eDesign feedback. The feedback is broken into 6 sections, 1 for each indicator, and a table below each indicator section that includes the individual attributes that make up the indicator. The first column represents the indicator and the associated attribute. So, for example, indicator 1, attribute 1, is identified as 1.1. The description of the attribute is included in the next column, followed by the score. To keep the eDesign feedback objective, no partial credit is provided for any attribute. A course either meets the attribute or does not. If the attribute is not yet met, the score for that section will be 0. Column to the right of the given score is the total points the attribute is worth. This is how the faculty person can see how many points the attribute is worth. The video tutorial column will link to a screencast that describes the associated attribute. The faculty person can select the box where it says Watch Video and then click again on the link to go to YouTube and watch the screencast. The last column here includes any comments and may include links to resources and/or suggestions to help the faculty person meet or enhance that particular course area. In some cases, a separate document called Additional Comments may be submitted by the eDesign feedback provider to the faculty person when the faculty person receives their eDesign report. The eDesign total score is located near the bottom of the screen, along with a table that defines what each scoring range means and what to do next. If the feedback score is below 80, the faculty person can make the suggested changes and resubmit the course. With that said, any faculty member with any score can resubmit the course if they like to increase the score for the course. In most cases, this results in the course feedback score increasing to 100%. This was an overview of the eDesign feedback process.